guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm taking you guys into my kitchen because I am going to be preparing, I'm bubbling my words there just now. We'll be preparing the green beans with bacon, Asian style, guys. Yes. Oh, I'm not a green beans fan, but my sister will be here to test it and eat it. Yes, guys. Whew. So, let's go into the kitchen and start cooking. Okay guys, we are starting with the green beans, putting in a little bit of vegetable oil, just coating the bottom, the whole bottom of the pot. Then I will be blooming all my spices. Okay. Just gonna fry these up a little bit. Mmm. Ooh, Lord. Okay guys, the green beans is mostly for my sister and my mom because green beans and I are not friends. Oh yes, Lord. The onions. Okay, I have some that I already have the garlic in here. Okay, this is some garlic that I did earlier. Okay. Okay, we'll set the onions and the garlic aside. Okay, I'm adding the green beans. It's already cleaned and washed. Thanks, Chair, for cleaning and washing the green beans. That's here my sidekick. Okay, I'm adding some of the chicken bouillon that diluted in some hot water. But you can also use some low sodium chicken broth there, or you can just use a little bit of water. Okay, guys, this is a tablespoon of mushroom soy sauce. And yes, I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements in the description below, guys. You know, my usual stuff. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up and let the green the green beans steam, because that's what we want them to do. We are just steaming them, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cover them again because there's still liquid in the bottom of the pot, and I'm gonna raise the heat up a little bit so it don't take too long, because it shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. Okay, guys, I'm tasting for salt and I got a kick. Ooh, yes, Lord. Okay, I'm gonna add the ginger and the bacon. Oh, guys, this is coming out. Okay, guys, we just need to toss them together. The ginger and the bacon. Ooh, chair. No. Jesus Christ. I went in there, just saw you were not in the living room. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Come over here. Her weapon, guys, is her bowl. Okay. I have the bacon and the ginger in. So I add the onions back now. Oh my God, Cherry, this is coming.
I'm here. Hurry up then.
Oh my God, guys. I have it over here. It's okay. Just let me start this out, okay? Yeah. Lord, stop that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn the heat off because now I'm gonna add the sesame oil. Thank you.
I'm working.
Guys, she just handed me the sesame oil. She's working. Holy Jesus, chair. Alright, guys, give me a bowl, chair. Sweet Jesus. I wish if you guys could see. Okay, here, taste now.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh my God.
You gotta take it out of the pan. I want the pan to make eggs in it.
Okay, Cheerio, what you think? What you think?
The texture, just right. The heat, yes, Jesus. Oh my gosh, and then the onion and the bacon. Sesame oil really gives it a good kick.
It is, right?
It kicks it up a couple more notches.
Guys, you hear that? Girl, mom will go. Oh, mom will enjoy this for sure.
And the, it's a good kick.
I'm so glad it's the right person that's kicking.
Oh yes, Lord. Oh my God! It just bring out the sweetness of that of the green beans just perfectly well. Oh my God.
Okay, guys, I will be leaving all the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Guys, it ought to be good. My sister is in love with it right now. And I am enjoying it.
I want to lick the pan. Oh, sorry, take that off.
I am not deleting it. Yes, guys, because remember when she talked about me, am I licking my pan? And I'm glad some of you guys agree that the licking is allowed. Anyway, guys, see you in my next video. Okay, guys, I'm so glad my sister enjoyed the green beans. Yes, it was a hit for her. She loved it. And I know mom will definitely like this green beans. Oh my God. I can't wait for mom to taste it. And I'm so grateful for that because somebody has to eat it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss my other video. And guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Such a wonderful thing. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay safe and God bless you guys. I'll see you in my next video.